Hey everyone, welcome back. Did Trust Wallet stop working right after your iPhone was updated to a new iOS version? This is one of the most common crypto wallet problems after every Apple update, and here's the fix. First, restart your iPhone completely. Hold the side button and the volume down at the same time. Slide to power off, wait 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. iOS updates sometimes cause temporary conflicts with apps, and a fresh restart clears most of them right away. After restarting, go ahead and open the App Store. Then tap on your profile picture at the top right. After that, scroll down and look for Trust Wallet in the list of available updates. Tap Update immediately if you see it listed. Wallet apps like Trust Wallet release compatibility updates very quick after a major iOS release. If there is no update available yet and Trust Wallet is still broken, go to your Settings app, then tap General, then tap iPhone Storage. Scroll down until you see the Trust Wallet app. Click on it once you find it and then tap Offload app. Once you offload the app, go to your App Store and reinstall from the App Store fresh. So all you gotta do is restart iPhone, check App Store for Trust Wallet update, upload and reinstall if broken. Trust Wallet will be working on new iOS again, and that's it. Subscribe.